Theology is the critical study of the nature of the divine. It is taught as an academic discipline, typically in universities and seminaries. Theology is basically the study of deities or their scriptures in order to discover what they have revealed about themselves. While theology has turned into a secular field, religious adherents still consider theology to be a discipline that helps them live and understand concepts such as life and love, and that helps them live of obedience to the deities they follow or worship. Theology is derived from the Greek theologia, which derived from theos, meaning God, and logia, meaning utterances, sayings, or oracles, a word related to logos, meaning word, discourse, account, or reasoning, which had passed into Latin as theologia, and into French as théologie. The English equivalent, theology, had evolved by 1362. The sense the word has in English depends in large part on the sense the Latin and Greek equivalents had acquired in parastatic and medieval Christian usage, although the English term has now spread beyond Christian context.